America Trip Part 4. Some trips are about places, but this one is about people. People we haven't seen in years. Conversations that hit deeper as time passes. And moments that remind us what truly matters.
The simplest thing that make me happy at this time, at this age of mine, I can see my children. They have their own family. I can see my grandchildren. I'm happy with that. That's enough for me.
The older we get, the more meaningful our conversations with our parents become. Day 9 of our America trip started with something special. We had lunch with the Balbuena family friends we haven't seen for such a long time. It felt like no time had passed at all. Great conversations, lots of laughter, and of course, a proper photo session. Everyone had a great time, moments worth keeping forever. After lunch, I finally visited my kakang Shana, Ate Baby's mom. She's 96 years old. Seeing her made me wonder, will I ever reach that age? We shared beautiful conversations, simple moments, and for the first time, I finally met Kuya Boy as well. This visit meant more than words can explain. Next stop, Ate Baby's office. Seeing her success here in Las Vegas made my heart full. Her hard work, her journey, her achievements. I'm incredibly proud of her. This moment inspired me more than she knows. Before ending the day, we explored the Las Vegas Strip. Straight from our hotel, this New York masterpiece is incredible. Even just looking at it feels unreal. We only managed to capture the outside of the M&M's tour because we were rushing. We didn't want to miss the fountain show at Bellagio.
Oh, Mama, yes, it's here.
Walking here feels alive. Bright lights, endless movement, and energy everywhere. And then, the Eiffel Tower. So fascinating to look at. For a moment, it really felt like we were in Paris. Now, the show starts. Wow, just look at the lights. The show happens every 30 minutes, so make sure to check the schedule if you're visiting. What a day, filled with memories, family, and gratitude. Up next, we're driving to Sedona to finally see John's sister and her family. After 8 long years apart, this journey just keeps getting more special.